Hey everyone, today we'll be taking a look at our exclusive Bear & Son butterfly knives available at KnifeCenter.com. Bear & Son Cutlery has been around for years making quality tools and knives here in the United States while still providing great value to their customers. We've been really big fans of their balisongs because of their overall quality and very appealing price that makes jumping into the world of flipping less intimidating. If you're looking to learn how to flip balisongs or want a knife to practice a few new tricks, you can get your hands on an American balisong pretty affordably. Now we're working with Bear & Son on some exclusive balisongs that feature copper vein handles on some of their most popular models. You'll get all the same performance and materials you would expect from a Bear & Son butterfly knife with a more unique aesthetic and a more textured grip in the hand that you'll only be able to get from KnifeCenter.com. We're very excited to be bringing these distinctive balisongs to our customers, and these are perfect for any bali-flippers, from newbies all the way to experienced vets trying to hone their skills. If you're interested in getting your hands on a KnifeCenter exclusive Bear & Son butterfly knife, click the link in the description below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you want to keep up with all of our knife-related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to visit the original and largest online catalog of cutlery, KnifeCenter.com, and check back often for any updates on deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.